Hey guys, my name is Andy Fontana and today I'm going to show you how to scan with the BLK360 laser scanner. I'm going to scan this single apartment in an apartment building, so I'm going to go through the workflow of what this job would entail. The first step would be to define your image and scan parameters, so we're going to do that first. Once you turn on your scanner, the ringer on the bottom will turn green. At this point, it's giving off its own Wi-Fi network. So you can go ahead and connect to that network on your laptop or computer. Once you've done that, you can open up the BLK360 Data Manager and click Find and Connect Device. Once it's connected, you can click BLK360 Capture Settings and decide on the settings that you'd like. For this project, I'm going to choose a high density scan as well as HDR images. At this point, you can X out of the data manager and the settings will be saved on the scanner. The only thing left to do is to connect the scanner to the tripod and press the button to start the scan. Once the scan is done, the bottom light will turn green again, and you can just pick up the scanner and move it to your second position. Typically, for most projects, you're going to only need one scan per room, kind of in the middle of the room, and typically one scan in each doorway to get enough overlap that the computer can automatically register the scans between the two rooms. So I'm going to place the scanner right in the doorway between the bathroom and the living room, and take another scan. Alright, when this scan is finished up, I'll do another one in the middle of the bathroom, I'll do one in the bedroom doorway, and then another one in the bedroom. And then I'm done. I can go ahead and move my data to the computer. Once I've finished up scanning, I can go back to my computer, make sure I'm still connected to the BLK Wi-Fi, and then go back into the BLK Data Manager. If I connect to the device, I'll be able to see all the scans that I currently have on the scanner. This was a 6-scan project, so I'm going to go ahead and import, check all of the scans, and I'm going to hit download. I've created a folder for this, and then I'm going to start the download. This will bring in all my scans as a .blk file, which can be later dropped into either Cyclone or Register 360. Hey guys, I hope that was helpful. Next up, I'm going to show you how to put this data together in Register 360. If you're interested in a BLK, I'll put the link to the online store in the description. And if you have any questions about it, please leave them in the comments below or shoot me an email. I'll put my email address in the description as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon.